Kari, am I looking at this correctly that you bought back Autodesk, Twilio, and PayPal? Is that right? On the other side of some tax loss harvesting you're doing?
Yeah. So we sold some names, and we're buying them back because we think that these are attractive prices. We can't pick the bottom, but what we know is these stocks are down a tremendous amount. I mean, we're talking about kind of 45 to 75% from their 12-month high. And there's no reason that when we look forward over a year or two, we don't see much higher stock prices. So we give people tax losses. We take a little risk on when we've been trying to reduce some of that risk. And that's what people pay us to do. Think through what's going to work for them over the next few years. And so we made some of those moves, the last few weeks and today.
Yeah. Mike, I'm looking at other names and wondering how much more do these stocks like Apple and Microsoft, Santoli's still with us, right? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, there he is. Okay. I just wanted to make sure. I didn't see in the box. I didn't know if you left. Apple and Microsoft, right? I mean, these stocks continue to go down. You'd like to believe that there needs to be some stabilization there before certainly the NASDAQ can find its footing, right?
Well, yes, mathematically, that's a necessity. It's not really the center of things today, I wouldn't say. Obviously, we're down 9% in the S&P from like Tuesday. So clearly everything is down and the big stuff's down along with it. That's where you still have a little bit of the valuation juice. I think a lot of that premium that built up in those stocks were based on the premise, of course, these are great companies, they're the winner in the new economy, but also, and yes, yields were low and you could pay up more, but also the idea where there was some perceived predictability there where it was, well, these aren't going to go down 30% in a few months, or if it's Netflix, 50% in a few months, or Amazon, and it did. And so I think some of that could still bleed away. Look, energy's down today, materials are down today. It seems like one of those things of let's turn some stocks into cash for now, and we'll see if this is just maybe a kind of a retest of what we saw in May, and if things get overdone in the very short term, we'll see how it plays out from there.